Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds and ah. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the sound in the word done, done, done. Now the sound in the word dawn, dawn, dawn. Now I will use them both in a sentence. It was done at dawn. It was done at dawn. It was done at dawn. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!